kitchen. It's been a while, been very busy, but I'd like to share with you what I'm making for Shabbat this Shabbat. We are making a stuffed chicken called chicken Rolanade, but I'm stuffing it with steamed chopped spinach, goes in the microwave real easy, and polenta, a really nice filling instead of breadcrumbs. I'm going to be using a half. It's already cooked. I love finding this in the supermarket, so I'm going to use half of it, and I'll show you how we make our stuffing and roll out chicken. Okay, so I took my 12 ounces of chopped spinach that was steamed in my microwave. I cut the polenta in half. It's awesome. It's already cooked, so you kind of gonna have to take your fingers and give it a little scrunchy up so that it crumples right into your spinach mixture. Okay, so we have put in our spinach, eggs, polenta, give it a nice mix up. It has a nice consistency. You'll see it, you'll feel it. It has a nice consistency to it. And this is going to be the stuffing for our chicken Rolanade. Okay, so I'm going to get started by butterflying open my chicken cutlet. So I am using 1.5 pounds of chicken cutlet. So it has now been butterflied open. On top of the 2 butterflied chickens, my father would be very upset. I don't have a real good hammer. So I am going to pound with my pounding stick. I am going to pound my butterfly chickens. Take this off, and I have a nice flattened out chicken cutlet. Prepping my baking casserole dish. This is a perfect size casserole for our chicken Rolanade. Okay, so our casserole, will place that down. Take our mixture. I like to lay out a little aluminum foil so that we will take our butterflied chicken, 1 handful, just like this, a nice handful of it, and just place it right inside your chicken. Now we're going to roll it. Push the stuffing inside. Now the important piece here is the rolled side is going to go down in the baking dish, okay? We will take another mixture of our spinach and give it a roll. 4 beautiful rolled chicken cutlets in our little baking pan. So the chicken cutlets are nicely in your baking pan, fit beautifully. Now here is our little baking secret. I have a little brush here, and I'm going to take some mayonnaise. Yes, mayonnaise. And I am going to brush the top of each Rolanade chicken with mayonnaise. Painting. Get to do a little painting today. Okay, the chicken is ready to go into the oven, 375 for 45 minutes in a beautiful casserole topped with mayonnaise and breadcrumbs. After 45 minutes, this chicken looks beautiful. Okay, we will take our chicken out from our pan, and we will, remember we did it with a nice little spinach and polenta. So when we serve this, we are going to slice them into little round, look how beautiful that came out with the spinach placed on our plate. A nice white sauce would be so great. To add a little extra flavoring to our chicken, we are going to make a nice creamy white sauce that we use margarine melted here in our pot. and a tablespoon of flour, which will make our roux. So we took our flour, chicken stock, and white wine, salt and pepper. Give it a nice little whisk in your little pan. This is a beautiful sauce to go with our chicken Rolanade. So here we have chicken Rolanade and a nice creamy white sauce. Ah, what a beautiful dish to serve. All prepped and ready to go. Chicken Rolanade stuffed with spinach polenta, baked for 45 minutes, sliced into nice discs, served with a white sauce. Find the recipe down below. Enjoy Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen Chicken Rolanade.